What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, car show day, man. It's car show day. Man, I'm about to pull out Rhythm and Blues. Cause that's the car for the car show. Big Dolo gone. I would have took that thing tried to get me. Just caught me a body. I would have took both of them. But like I said, we had to take Big Dolo to the doctor and all that. So you know, we can finna dig Rhythm and Blues out. And take it. Said I ain't pulled it out in a long time. I ain't watched it in a long time either. So we about to watch it. That's why I got the Billy Thornton hat on. Billy Thornton ain't in the building right now though. So you know, I'm finna try to make this quick. Cause it hot and all of that. And let me see how I'm gonna do this. I might just park the truck, brown coat over there in the shade. Cause when I come back, I ain't trying to move. My car's got certain positionings for a reason. So you know, but yeah, man, I came outside too, and boom, look what I got. A package, a big package, and it's for brown coat. This the bumper, brand new bumper, man. So I'm gonna bust that out, and I probably lay it somewhere. I don't know. Cause the bumper on brown coat now got a impact strip. And this the one without the impact strip, called they had sold out the other one with the impact strip. So I was like, hey man, either way I like the way it look. So we got that in now. That was the last piece I was waiting on for brown coat. So now I really have all the pieces for the body. So it's ready to go for paint and all of that. So nitrous kit going on brown coat next week. Then it's going to paint shop next week too. So back to back. But let me dig these things out, man. Then we're gonna get to watch. Stay tuned. All right, y'all see, man, we got RnB pulled back and everything. Look at her, man. She ain't been washing probably about 3 to 4 months, probably 4 months. Being realistic, and it still look good, man. Can pull out, and it still look good. I'm telling them, car covers do their job. Haven't been washed in 4 months. Easily 4 months. I can tell you, it might have been longer than that. The last time I washed this thing was when I drove the stunt fair. I washed it up that day, and that been a minute ago, and I ain't washed it since. I drove the stunt fest, and that was it. So y'all see her. Let me see. Usually get dust right up in here, but that's about it. But you can't really see it good on that blue. And of course, back there by the trunk, you know, and that dirt all the way up under the wings and stuff, the trunk, you know. This stuff they always catch dust right here. These probably the dirtiest spots the back of the car used. So yeah, man, I'm finna wash this thing up. Be ready. Cause you know, man, you have to change clothes a million times during the summer cause it's so hot. But I'm finna go ahead and get this thing washed up, and then when I turn y'all back on, we'll probably be at the show. I'm probably gonna leave much later than this though, cause it's too hot. So then we're gonna leave brown coat right there. I'm gonna cover it back up so it don't get so hot. And y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. Y'all see RnB all clean. She spick and span, tie wet on, everything. So now I'm about to vacuum the coil. They at me, y'all. These flying things at me. But I'm finna vacuum coil out. So I said I got the whole kit, man. I got that from Harbor Freight. Like I said, you ain't gotta go get the most expensive stuff all the time. I'm telling you, sometimes you get what you pay for, and sometimes you don't. It's just for real. Sure, everybody done experienced that. So I'm finna vacuum this thing out. I done took everything out the trunk, man, since we're going to car show. And this thing here old school clean. Old school clean. I ain't got no wheels yet, so big wheels, so I can't hit it, go in big wheel trim, but I can go in classic car trim. So y'all see, man, trunk factory clean. Spare tire, all of that. Finna rain that. So I'm finna vacuum all this out, and the inside still look pretty good. Just wipe the windows too. So we're gonna vacuum this thing out, spray it, put a little smell good in there, and we're gonna be ready. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see we made it out here. Supposed to be helping Judge out here too, so I'm out here, man. We're gonna see what it do. See a nice little amount of cars out here already. Y'all see my boy CJ, we put in at the same time, man. El Camino, then we got Rhythm and Blue parked over here. So you know, don't make it do what it do. He getting set up, cause y'all know he finna have the crack putting out here and all of that. Then when he get unloaded, man, we'll rain these things and all that good stuff. But y'all can see, good turnout, man. Shout out to my bro Fat Ken, man. They got a bunch of sick stuff out here. It's gonna be a lot of B-roll, y'all, cause y'all see that music going all that. So we ain't trying to get no copyright. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, about to get CJ unloaded. They need to get some bigger ramp, man. It was a slim ramp, but got rid of them things.
real Money Train killer, man. Just let y'all know we here with my boy J Malcolm, man, at one of the hottest events that ever touched Monroe, Georgia. Georgia Sweet Heat, car and bike show, dog show, man. We here. If you ain't here, you square, man. Hey, listen, we gonna walk through here, man, let y'all see what really going on. And once again, J Malcolm, I will be back with that Malibu and that Regal, man. Y'all know me nasty.
Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. So back at the house, good little turnout. Car show, man. Enjoyed myself, good seeing everybody that I know and all of that, man. There was some clean cars and stuff out there, some clean whips and all of that, man. Shout out to Fat Ken, man. He did his thing on that show. Like I said, it turned out good, man. It turned out good. We did the judging and stuff, man. Everybody got the trophies and all that, and we good to go, man. We pulled old RnB out. People got to see it. So I'm finna put it up, man. Put brown coat up and all of that. And I'm finna get in the house, man. Like I said, just a lot of B-roll footage. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and all that stuff. And we're gonna be back tomorrow, man. We'll be back tomorrow. So I'm finna put this stuff up, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.